So we use Umbraco Cloud for almost all our Umbraco clients, I think 90-95% of them. And it's a good, we can have that baseline functionality, which means we can spin up a site pretty quickly and we can get going pretty fast, which reduces the project time and budget as well.
I think it's a stable and solid hosting solution to begin with, but it also gives our developer team a lot of benefits.
When we are starting a new client, we have our baseline functionality. So we are starting from our baseline, which contains the building steps to build an Umbraco site, and then we directly can focus on building what the client wants instead of setting up servers, and we don't have to maintain this and monitor the sites, because Umbraco does it for us.
Of course, we have clients that want to support solutions themselves, and when we go that route, and we can almost always come back to the conclusion, even with the client, that this type of thing or this money or this incident wouldn't have happened if we had gone with, for example, Umbraco Cloud. Even if Umbraco Cloud is not in the conversation and the choice from the start, it's always something that we can come back to and hope that they'll, see the other side and perhaps move to that in the future as well. We see the value in Umbraco Cloud.